Azcocorp designed and manufactured a cut-to-length sheeter with a motorized unwind. The roll of material is supported and held in place by a pneumatic air shaft. Safety chucks ensure the material is held in place. From the unwind, the material goes over a dancer assembly. The material is accurately fed by servo feed rollers. The top idler roller is pneumatically preloaded for easier setup of the machinery. The unit self-feeds and loads by jogging the material through the knife assembly. A no product sensor automatically shuts down the unit when no material is sensed entering the feed rollers. Material is then cut by a pneumatically operated D2 heat-treated tool steel blade. Cut material then falls down a safety enclosed exit chute. A jam sensor automatically shuts down the unit when no material is sensed exiting the knife assembly. Unit has a color touch screen for easy setup and operation. Custom cut links and cycles can be input on the unit's touchscreen. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.